so good. It's the smelliest car I've ever been in. It's kind of frozen. It just destroyed the whole exterior. The problem is, like, I kind of thought that everything was going to be
See?
You can hide it just in case you don't want to see the USB hole. Can I grab a bottle of rinseless out of the front office?
Yes, sir. You should.
I feel like this is what you get when you're in like first class flights. Is you get like
no, they're exposed.
They're
maybe on Abu Dhabi Air, but not on American or Delta.
In Dubai.
Qué rico.
in control in the name of love. In the name of love. In the name of love. We stay in control in the name of love.
Qué rico. Papi, dame más duro.
We have coated the X5 here. This was coated with the Lifetime Ion. One of the questions is, do coatings add a little bit of a shine to the vehicle? And that is true. Coatings do add a little bit of a luster to the paint, or when a coating is applied onto a car. The process of applying the coating means you're gonna polish it and make the paint as perfect as possible. And a lot of times that adds to that little shine and luster. Is just under the coating, the car is pretty much perfect. Pretty much like Brady here.
That's what I've been cool.
So yeah, here's a quick walk around. The green, it's like a dark metallic green. It's just such a gorgeous color when you just combine it with the Tartufo interior. Just really makes this a unique vehicle. That's what we're all about. If it's your baby, if it's your thing, that's what we're all about. Like Brady here owns a Mondeo.
Yes.
That's it, folks. Oh yeah, you guys can go ahead. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah.
my gosh. Oh my gosh, she's a beautiful one.
Dude.
Yippee-ki-yay! Oh my gosh. I told you. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I'm shaking. It's just like,
Yeah, this is
I
sweet.
could cry.
Everything's been touched.
I could cry.
Your tears been touched.
Guys, it shines so beautifully.
I'm lying.
Can I yell?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes!
Perfect.
I scared you.
Oh, that's
This
great.
has been my dream car.